Time, see what the noise is. It's completely over ice.
That's so weird. That's a bird.
Ice is everywhere. Where's your jig
Ready,
at?
guys? Ready on the cast. Hi. This is Texas too.
Yeah.
Texas.
It's about 27 degrees out here right now.
It's 27.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like 31. And I was all excited because I'm ready for all the snow and ice to leave.
I know.
I don't like it.
I was gonna try to use a bottom bait too. I mean, I'm still gonna use it.
I have a back one.
This ice is thick. I'll get back with y'all later.
Sit on this side of it and like hold it right.
Go, throw it.
See your dance, dude.
Yo.
Dude, you want to
Yeah.
get the rope. Do your dance. Alright, hold this. I'll get it.
Throw it, Sevy. Throw it.
I'm trying. Alright, wait. I'll tell you when I'm ready to go. Hey, go.
Oh, y'all are never gonna get this lure out.
Yes, we are. Go. Why no, it's so short. What the heck?
Not fighting it.
No.
We'll never get it out.
There, I got it.
It's out!
I just came out. Wow! Yeah, Sevy Soccer did all that, bro. Subscribe. Yeah, I get a little attention. It just like popped out. I don't really know. I gotta do this one. I was hoping it'd be a cool little part.
I hope you catch a fish. Where are you going?
I'm going,
Home? Where? Oh,
wait.
next to me. I got a fish out anyway.
Get that on.
Oh, shoot. I'm gonna go get my bike. Yeah.
No tengo mucho tiempo, wey. No tengo mucho tiempo is very cold. I said I don't have very much time. Oh, dude.
Alright, I'm not gonna take long. Now, still freaking ice on top.
That makes me mad. It needs to go away.
I know. It pisses me off. But we haven't caught no fish, no bites at all.
Well, I mean, Sevy's had 2 bites.
Well, he has over there. Sevy Soccer, right? That's a new one?
Yeah. Go subscribe.
Go subscribe to Sevy Soccer.
What?
Go subscribe to Sevy Soccer.
Yeah.
I'll get back with you in a little while. Masturbation, boy. Move y'all around like rats there, boy. Watch out, Hudson. I'm gonna freaking hook you.
It's stuck in the ice. I see your belly.
Oh my goodness, that was a beautiful tag. Bro, I want a GoPro so bad. That's what I should have bought. I had $100 gift card. Wait, how do you convert it to like your phone?
I didn't really learn that, but I've done it on my phone. And then I do that to myself. And then I'm thinking if I just, I don't know how to do it.
You can put it on your computer, you can upload it on your computer.
I also have to have to.
I think that's the only way I think that's the only way you can do it. Comment down below if there's another way to upload a GoPro video on your phone or anywhere else.
Well, I mean, I know how to do it on the phone. It's my editing shit.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh god. How did this happen?
How does this happen to me?
How could this happen to me? I made my mistake. I'm gonna go switch to what Stacy said. You know I just got all of that, right? You know I just got all that. I got that you dancing.
If you can keep singing, wait, I was standing right here.
Yeah. Hudson just caught a solid pounder.
It fought hard.
Yeah.
Alright.
For a release.
I don't care. Go away.